Oh no, what happened?
Did the elevator just stop?
Yes, I think it did. It suddenly jerked and stopped moving.
This is scary. Are we stuck?
Yes, we are stuck between floors, but stay calm.
I've never experienced this before.
Don't panic. We'll figure this out step by step.
Do you think it's a power failure?
It could be. Or maybe a technical issue with the elevator.
The lights flickered for a second.
That usually means there's a temporary electrical problem.
What should we do now?
First, let's stay calm and think clearly.
Should I press something on the control panel?
Yes, take a look.
I see many buttons here.
Look for the alarm button or emergency call button.
Oh, I see a red button. Is that it?
Yes, that's the alarm button. Press it.
Okay, I pressed it. I hear a sound.
Good. That alerts the building staff.
Should we also call emergency services?
Yes, press the emergency call button near the floor numbers.
Found it. I'll press it now.
Emergency service. How can I help you?
Hello. We're stuck in an elevator in building A.
Can you tell me your location?
We're between the 4th and 5th floors.
Is everyone okay?
Yes, we are okay, but we need help.
Help is on the way. Please stay calm.
How long will it take?
It should take about 10 to 15 minutes.
Thank you for your help.
Please do not try to force the doors open.
Okay, we'll wait. I'm still a bit nervous.
That's normal.
What if it takes longer?
Rescue teams are trained for situations like this.
That makes me feel better.
Just take deep breaths and stay relaxed.
Are you both okay?
Yes, we are fine. Thank you for coming.
That was stressful, but we managed well.
You handled it perfectly.
Staying calm really helped us.
Yes, and now we know what to do in an emergency. Alex, is the internet working for you?
No, it's not loading anything on my phone.
Same here. I thought it was just my device.
Let me check the Wi-Fi router.
Is it on?
Yes, the lights are on, but something seems off.
Maybe the connection dropped.
I'll restart the router. That usually helps.
Okay, I'll wait. I really need the internet for my work.
Done. Let's see if it comes back.
Still nothing. This is frustrating.
Yeah, especially when you depend on it so much.
Did restarting the router fix it?
No, still no connection. It's the same as before.
That's strange. It usually works after a restart.
Yeah, that's why I'm confused. Maybe it's a bigger issue. Try turning on mobile data for now.
Good idea. Let me check.
Is it working?
It's working, but it's very slow. I can barely open a page. That's not helpful at all. I need a stable connection.
Same here. Even messages are taking time to send.
Maybe the problem isn't from our side.
You mean the service provider?
Yes, maybe there's a network issue in the area.
That could be possible, but let's not assume yet.
Should we call them now or wait a bit?
Let's try a few more things first before calling.
All right, what do you want to try?
I'll unplug everything and reconnect the cables properly.
Make sure all the wires are tight. Sometimes they get loose.
Yes, I'll check each one carefully.
I'll also forget the Wi-Fi network on my phone and reconnect.
Good idea. That might help refresh the connection.
Done. Now I'll reconnect. Still not working.
I've reconnected all the cables too. Let me restart the router again.
Okay, fingers crossed this time.
It's turning back on. Wait a few seconds.
I really hope this works. It's getting frustrating.
I know. We rely on the internet for everything these days.
Exactly. Work, messages, everything is stuck.
All right, the router is back on. Try connecting again.
Let me see. Nope, still the same issue.
That's disappointing.
Yeah, I really hoped that would fix it.
If this doesn't work, we might have to call customer support.
I guess so. I just hope it's not a long process.
Yeah, those calls can take forever.
Okay, what's the next step?
Let's give it one more minute. If nothing changes, we'll call them.
All right, I hope we get this fixed soon. Alex, I have an online meeting in 10 minutes.
I know, I'm trying to fix it as fast as I can.
This always happens at the worst time.
I've checked everything. It doesn't seem like a home issue.
Then what is it?
Probably a network outage.
That's so annoying.
I'll call customer service now.
Please do. I can't miss my meeting.
Stay calm, we'll find a solution.
I hope so. This is stressing me out.
I just spoke to customer support.
What did they say?
There's a technical issue in our area.
Oh no, how long will it take?
They said it might take a few hours.
A few hours. That's too long.
I know, but we can't do much.
This is really inconvenient.
They are working on it at least.
I guess we have to wait.
Yeah, or find another way to stay connected.
I can't wait for hours. I need internet now. My meeting is really important.
I understand. This situation is really frustrating.
I've already tried refreshing everything, but nothing is working.
What if you use your mobile hotspot for now?
I tried, but it's too slow. The video keeps freezing.
That won't work for a meeting then.
Exactly. I need a stable connection, not something that keeps disconnecting.
Maybe we can go somewhere else with better internet.
Like where?
Maybe a nearby cafe? They usually have fast Wi-Fi.
That's actually a good idea. At least I can join my meeting without interruptions.
Yes, and most cafes are quiet enough for work during this time.
I just hope it's not too crowded. I need a calm place to focus.
We can pick one that's less busy. There's a small cafe near the corner.
Oh yes, I've seen that place. It looks nice and peaceful.
Exactly. and I think they offer free Wi-Fi to customers.
That would be perfect. I'll take my laptop and charge it just in case.
Good thinking. You don't want your battery to die during the meeting.
Yes, that would be another disaster.
Do you need anything else? Maybe headphones?
Oh, yes! Thanks for reminding me. That will help me focus better.
All right, let's get ready quickly. Time is running out.
I'll grab my bag and be ready in 2 minutes.
I'll get the keys and lock the door.
Thanks, Alex. This might actually save my day.
No problem? We just needed a quick solution.
I'm glad you suggested it. I was starting to panic.
It's okay. Sometimes changing the environment helps.
Yes, and at least I won't miss my meeting now.
Exactly. Let's go before it gets too late.
All right, I'm ready. Let's go.
Let's go.
The Wi-Fi here is much better.
See? I told you it would work.
I've joined my meeting now.
Great. Problem solved for now.
I just wish our home internet was reliable.
Me too. We might need to upgrade our plan.
Or change the provider.
That's also an option.
Let's think about it later.
Sure, focus on your meeting first.
We're back. Let's check the internet again.
Okay, I'll try connecting.
Is it working now?
Yes, it's back.
Finally. That took so long.
At least it's fixed now.
I hope it doesn't happen again.
Same here, it was really inconvenient.
We should still consider a backup option.
Yes, just in case.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps us create more helpful videos for you.